Ever been caught in a whirlwind of thoughts that just won't stop spinning? Welcome to the world of overthinking and stress, a land where many of us unintentionally find ourselves. But fear not, there are ways to escape this mental maze and reclaim the calm. Overthinking, quite simply, is when you think too much about something. It's when you turn ideas around and around in your head, analyzing them from every angle, and then do it all over again. This mental gymnastics often leads to stress, a physical and emotional response to feeling overwhelmed. Now, you might wonder, how can one escape this relentless cycle? Well, the answer lies in a combination of mindful habits, practical strategies, and a shift in perspective. First and foremost, acknowledge the act of overthinking. Recognize when you're stuck in a loop of thoughts and consciously make the decision to stop. It's like hitting the pause button on a movie that's been playing on repeat. But remember, this step requires patience and practice. Next, focus on problem solving rather than worry. Overthinking often stems from a fear of the unknown or a perceived lack of control. Instead of dwelling on the what ifs, steer your mind towards finding solutions. Ask yourself, what steps can I take to improve the situation? It's about action, not anxiety. Another strategy is to set aside worry time. Rather than letting anxiety infiltrate your entire day, allocate a specific time slot for it. Use this time to address your concerns and then move on. It's like scheduling an appointment with your worries and then closing the door once it's over. Practicing mindfulness can also be a powerful tool in curbing overthinking. It's all about staying present and not letting your mind wander into the future or the past. Whether it's through meditation, yoga, or simply focusing on your breath, mindfulness helps anchor your thoughts to the present moment. Lastly, remember to be kind to yourself. Overthinking often comes hand in hand with self-criticism. Instead of berating yourself for past mistakes or future uncertainties, practice self-compassion. Remind yourself that it's okay to not have all the answers and that it's perfectly normal to feel overwhelmed at times. To summarize, the journey to stop overthinking and stressing involves acknowledging your thoughts without judgment, focusing on problem solving, setting aside worry time, practicing mindfulness, and being kind to yourself. It may seem like a tall order, but remember, even the longest journey begins with a single step. So next time your mind starts to race, take a deep breath and remember these strategies. The power to escape the whirlwind of overthinking and stress is within you. It's about making conscious choices and adopting a new perspective, one that is centered around action, presence, and compassion. So go forth and reclaim your calm. You've got this.